Hey, it's Derek, and this is Flashchat in 5 minutes or more. Let's go. What is it? Flashchat is a messenger marketing platform focused mostly on nurturing, engaging, and converting more of your prospective customers by adding a new touchpoint to your marketing mix, messenger marketing. Messenger has a wide reach, and investing in it as a channel has been proven to increase conversion rates for e-commerce stores. With Flashchat, you can re-engage your customers directly in Messenger to close the sale or upsell or cross-sell. Flashchat offers an on-site Messenger chat feature to encourage your website visitors to talk to you directly on Messenger. This is a great way to offer support and build an active Messenger subscriber list. They also have an Add to Cart widget that appears on your store's product page right under the Add to Cart button. The widget is fully customizable and grows that subscriber list. This is super important. These users will later receive targeted abandoned cart campaigns through Messenger if they didn't convert. Similar to the Add to Cart widget, they have an Add to Cart pop-up that also serves the same goal, just in this case it opens as a pop-up right after the user clicks that Add to Cart button, and I really like this functionality because getting more subscribers at that exact moment is really important to that conversion rate. Due to the nature of messenger marketing and the timeliness of your messages, you should expect extremely high open and click-through rates from these abandoned cart sequences. You can also convert website visitors to Messenger subscribers by using the Messenger pop-up tool. Similar to any other pop-up tool you may already have on your site, you can use the pop-up tool to offer a discount which incentivizes converting into a Messenger subscriber, and then when they do abandon that cart, you're able to trigger more abandoned cart recovery messages and therefore more sales. So let's talk about these abandoned cart recovery sequences. It's really important that they're going to have the actual products that they've added to their cart in there. We want to see the total, we want to be able to offer a discount, and we want to be able to send them back to checkout. With abandoned cart tools, you can combine the power of personal messenger marketing with a customized retargeting message, and it really works to drive sales. In Flashchat, you can customize up to 3 abandoned cart messenger messages that a user can receive at different intervals. For example, the first message can go within 6 hours with a 10% off coupon code, and the second message can go around 24 hours with a quality promise and maybe even a different discount code. These campaigns can be triggered in a logical order so that campaign 3 isn't activated until campaign 2 yields no results. Flashchat also has win-back campaigns. One of the best ways to re-engage your customers by offering them support messages throughout the purchase cycle. The win-back campaign tool in Flashchat allows you to do just that. The tool is designed to increase customer satisfaction while also creating additional opportunities for them to make a repeat purchase. For example, the receipt and shipping notifications are a great way to offer in-message updates, but because you can customize these messages, you can use it as an opportunity to give them extra percentage off on their next purchase. The mass conversational campaigns allow you to broadcast non-promotional content to your opted-in messenger list. This can be your recent blog post, company update, instant messenger campaigns, asking them questions, etc. Competitive landscape. Messenger marketing is a pretty crowded space. For Flashchat, some of the direct competitors include ShopMessage, Recart, Octane AI, and Maxwell. There are many other players in the messenger marketing space, including ManyChat, Chatfuel, MobileMonkey has moved in. The list does go on, and there's also omni-channel tools like OmniSend. But at the end of the day, look for those e-commerce focused tools like Flashchat. Biggest differentiator. The core of Flashchat is the automated abandoned cart campaigns you can customize to fit your business needs. When your main focus is increasing conversion rate, Flashchat may be a good fit for you. And of course, that post-purchase follow-up is important with the notification messages about your shipment. There is a lot of value there as well. Metric impact. Flashchat aims to increase sales by as much as 10% within the first couple of months. Most of that growth comes from converting lost sales abandoned during the checkout phase of a customer order and converting a higher percentage of customers in Facebook Messenger than through email or traditional retargeting ad campaigns. Metrics to pay attention to for messenger marketing include revenue directly tracked back to Flashchat, abandoned cart recovery rate, number of active messenger subscribers. Messenger conversations started this month so that you can understand the impact of Messenger in a shorter period of time. Add to cart pop-up conversion rate, total discounts offered and closed through Flashchat, and there are a few more messenger related ones you can imagine, like customer service inquiries and stuff like that. Bottom line, this app is simple, it's straightforward, it's easy to jump into if you want to drive more customers through Facebook Messenger. It's a strong competitor at the intersection of cart abandonment reduction tools and messenger marketing tools. It really is right there at that intersection. When should you use it? If even a portion of your customers are on Facebook Messenger, which is basically true for anyone today, then this will benefit you. Now, the more of your customer base on Messenger, such as like younger generations, the more likely it will convert those into customers. If you're already seeing engagement in Facebook and in Facebook Messenger, there's a good chance this tool will improve your conversion rate from those channels. And for those people really just focused on getting that quick win, as opposed to building some elaborate bot sequence, Flashchat is going to be a great fit. When shouldn't you use it? If you have a large store with a lot of traffic and visitors, you may need deeper segmentation or more robust campaign builders and flow builders, which Flashchat currently doesn't offer. They're building towards those features in the future, so you do want to stay tuned. Integrations. Obviously, you have your deep Shopify integration, which is key to pulling in your product catalog feed and dynamically inserting those products into the Messenger automations. You also have two key integrations, Yotpo, which helps insert social proof into your Messenger sequences, proven to increase engagement and conversion rate. And you have Privy, which makes it easier to add a Messenger checkbox into your existing pop-ups. If you're already using Privy, you just integrate this tool and now you're getting more Messenger subscribers on top of that email subscribership. It does not cancel out email subscribers, it just adds on to it. Pricing. Their pricing starts at $9 a month and is based on a sort of unique metric, which is successful automated Messenger conversations. That is to say, an automated abandoned cart sequence that results in a sale and doesn't require a human response. It's very nicely tied to revenue, which I like, but it makes it tough for you to calculate how you may actually spend money with their tool. Unfortunately, you'll probably have to install the tool and get a baseline on how many of those messages are occurring every month, and then you'll really start to understand. But that's okay because it's directly tied to revenue, so you're going to be making money. Setup time and resources. It really does only take 5 minutes to set up your abandoned cart automation and get integrated with Shopify, but you may spend a couple of additional days working on deeper campaigns and testing those campaigns, as well as getting the integration set up. And you'll want to check back in every few weeks for testing and optimizing your sequences to ensure you're getting a good result. Final thoughts. If your customers and prospects use Facebook at all, which pretty much everybody does, and especially if you already have people reaching out to you over Facebook Messenger, Flashchat can be a very useful tool to grow that channel and turn more site visitors into conversions. Start off with their abandoned cart tools and using that add to cart widget to grow your subscriber list. See how it performs. Expand into their receipt and shipping notifications to potentially reduce customer service inquiries and retain that one-to-one customer relationship. Related tools. If you're thinking of Messenger abandoned cart campaigns, you can also consider SMS or text campaigns and text messaging tools for the same purpose. There are benefits to each side, but there's no reason you can't do both. Check out my video on SMS bump somewhere around here. When you launch a Messenger strategy, you're sure to have people respond. You can't let them respond without having a human there to follow up. You need to integrate Messenger with a tool like Gorgias or Amaze so that your support team can nurture and convert those leads. Do not leave them hanging. Well, that was Flashchat in 5 minutes or more. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If this app does interest you, please do click on my partner link somewhere around here, or you can book a forever free consultation with me, Derek Haney. I'd be happy to discuss Flashchat and how it relates to the rest of your tool stack. I will see you next time.